Welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Okay, look at what you are given on the board. We're going that into x plus 9 all to the power of 2 is equal to what? 49. We are asked to look for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Case 1. Do you know that we are not wrong if we square both sides? And we are not also wrong if we let x plus 9. Sorry, we are not wrong if we take square root of both sides. And we are not also wrong if we let x plus 9 equals to what? Any variable. I prefer p. From this p, let's make s the subject of the formula. It means that s is equals to what? P minus 9 by subtracting 9 from both sides. This is the value of s if we can know the value of p. Remember that this is case 1. So it means that p to the power of what? 2 is equals to what? 9. At this point, what we are going to do, we are going to remove this power from here. Because we are looking for p. So for us to remove the power from here, I have to take square root of both sides. So the square root of what? P square is equals to the square root of what? 9. Remember, that is a square, and you're talking about what? Quadratic, right? So if you square both sides, square root cancel out what? Square. So you see that our p is equals to what? What is the square root of what? 9 is what? Plus minus what? 7. Wow, this is pocket genius. I love this. Amazing. Remember that from here, that s equals to p minus what? 9. This implies that our p is equals to 7, or p is equals to what? Negative what? 7. I will know that our s is equals to what? P minus what? 9. Alright, so when p is equals to 7, let's find x. It means that our s is equals to what? 7 minus what? 9. And 7 minus 1 is what? 7 minus 9 is minus 2. It means that s is equals to what? Minus what? 2. This is the value of x. This is one of the value of x. And when what? When p is equals to what? Minus what? 7. Let's find our x. It means that s is equals to minus 7 minus what? 9. Minus 7 minus 9 will give us what? Minus what? Minus what? Minus 16. So it means that our s is equals to what? Minus what? 16. These are the value of x. This implies that s is equals to minus 2, or s is equals to what? Minus what? 16. These are the value of what? X. Very interesting. Remember, this is what? Case 1. Let's see what we can do about case 2. So amazing. Okay. Now, let's remove this from here quickly and do what? Consider what? Case 2. You know that s is equals to this, right? Let's consider what? Case 2. This is what? Case what? Case 2. Alright. From here, we know that into x plus 9 all to the power of 2 is equals to what? 9. What are we going to do? Remember this, if you don't want to multiply, you want to take square root of both, you can multiply both power by the reciprocal of 2. So it means that into x plus 9 all to the power of 2 multiplied by the reciprocal of 2, which is 1 over 2, is equals to into 49. Okay, 49 to the power what? 49 to the power what? 1 over what? 2. Now these two can cancel out this. We see that s plus 9 is equals to. Now remember that 49 to the power of 2 is nothing as square root. But I'm not interested in square root. There's another amazing thing we can also do here. That this 47, 49, we can put it in index form as into 7 to the power of 2 represent what? 7. All to the power of 1 over what? 2. This power can cancel out the denominator here. So it means that s plus what? 9 is equals to what? Is equals to 7. Now, by subtracting 9 from both sides, we see that s is equals to what? 7 minus what? 9. That means s is equals to minus what? 2. But this solving have only what? One solution. S is not correct. It is not what? Correct. Let's consider what? Case 3. So let's remove this from, because I want to have that. Look at having just minus 2. But here having that s is equals to minus 2, or s equals to what? Minus 16. But here this method is giving us what? just minus what? 2, which is what? Not complete answer. What are we going to do? Let's consider what? Case 2. Since case 3, let's consider what? Case 3. Since case 2 did not work. So it means let's consider what? Case 2. Wow. Case 2 it did not work because I have to have two values of s, as you can see from here. So we're having just case 1, case 2 as what? S equals to minus 2, which is not what? Acceptable. So let's consider what? Case 3. Wow, this is amazing. That means let's consider what? Case what? Case 3. Case what? Case 3. Alright, case 3. Look at what we're going to do. This square means that this parenthesis is twice. So this is now become into s plus 9 and into s plus 9 equals to what? 40 what? 9. S times s is s square. S times 9 is plus 9x. 9 times s is plus what? 9s. 9 times 9 is what? 81 equals to what? 40 what? 9. Wow. I so much love this. This is amazing. Let's collect our like things. It means that s square plus 9s plus 9s is 18x. Okay. Plus what? 81 equals to what? 40 what? 9. Let's subtract 40 what? 9 from both sides. It means that s square plus 18s, okay, plus 81 minus 49 is equals to what? 0. And 81 minus this is what? 81 minus 49 is what? Is 32. So it means that s square plus 18s plus what? Plus 32 is equals to what? 0. Wow, this is amazing. And this is what? Quadratic what? Equation. Don't forget that quadratic equation have 4 ways of solving. 1 by factorization method, 2 by formula method, 3 by what? Completing the square, and 4 by graphical method of solving it. But today in this video we're going to solve this problem by what? By factorization what? Method. Now at this point, this is the constant term and this is the sum of root. Thank God that since the coefficient of s square is unity, we can do what? We can comfortably do what? Work on the what? The constant term. Now, what are the factors of 32? Remember, the factor simply means those numbers that are divisible by 32 without remainder. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, and so on and so what? Forth. But we're not going to waste our time since we know that 16 times 2 is 36. So it's 32. So we can say that s square, okay, s square plus what? 16x, okay, plus 2x, because 16s plus 2s is 18s, which is the sum of root. Remember, when you're solving factorization method, always make sure that those two factors are gotten. If you add them or subtract them, you have to have the sum of root here, right? Then plus what? 32 equals to what? 0. What is common here? You can see that s is common into s squared divided by s will give us s. 16s divided by s will give us plus what? 16. Then what is common here? Plus 2 is common. Why? Plus 2 is common because plus 2 can go to a set remainder and plus 2 can still go to 32. Then divide 2s by 12 x, divide 32 by 12 plus what? 16. All this equals to what? 0. What is common from here? Consider into s plus 16 is common, okay? Then if you divide the whole of this by s plus 16, what to have what? This is what? X. Now if you divide the whole of this by this, you're going to have what? Plus what? 2. All this equals to what? 0. So when the product of two terms is equals to 0, it means that s plus 16 is equals to 0, or s plus 2 is equals to 0. Let's subtract 16 from both sides. It means that s is equals to 0 minus 16, or s is equals to 0 minus what? 2 by subtracting 2 from both sides. So it means that s is equals to minus 16, or s is equals to minus what? 2. So this is s1 and this is what? x2. Wow, this is amazing. I love this. So you see that case 3, you can see that s equals to minus 16 or s equals to what? Minus what? 2. And our case 1, s equals to minus 2 or s equals to minus what? 16. But our case 2 is giving us s equals to minus 2, which is not complete. So these are the beautiful solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. Do to like, comment, and share this with the loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you are not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime another exciting video will be notified. So thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.